Scala is a programming language that is both object-oriented and functional programming language. It is based on the Java Virtual Machine or JVM, and because of that, it has a nice and seamless integration with the Java libraries and ecosystem. I will talk about this in a future videos. The official website of the Scala programming language is scala-lang.org. Scroll down a little bit and click on this Get Started button. This will open Getting Started page. Notice we have a Scala 2 and a Scala 3. In other words, we have a two Scala version, Scala 2 and Scala 3. In this video and series, I am going to talk about Scala 3. Read the appropriate section to install Scala on your computer. If you don't want to install Scala on your computer, you can try this playground in a browser. I am leaving this choice up to you on how to proceed. But if you ask me, I have already installed Scala on my computer and will going to use it instead of this playground. That being said, let's meet in the next video.